Hello everyone, welcome back to Import Business Nigeria. If you have ever imported goods into Nigeria, you have probably asked yourself, how exactly does custom calculate duty? Many importers believe custom officers simply choose any amount they like. That's not true. There is actually a standard method used to calculate custom duty. In today's video, I will explain everything in simple terms using practical examples. By the end of this video, you will understand why two people importing similar goods may end up paying different duty. Let's get started. What is custom duty? Customs duty is simply a tax charged on imported goods before they are released from the port. It is collected by the Nigerian Customs Service, NCS. The money goes to the federal government and also helps protect local industries, generate government revenue, control imports, prevent illegal goods from entering the country. Without paying the required duty, custom will not release your cargo. Now, you may want to ask, what determines the duty you pay? Several factors determines how much duty you pay. 1. Cost of the goods. The more expensive your goods are, the higher the duty. Example, product A costs $200, while product B costs $1,000. Even if both are electronics products, product B will generally attract more duty. 2. Freight cost. Shipping cost is included, whether by sea freight or air freight. The freight amount affects the custom value. 3. Insurance cost. Insurance paid during shipment also form part of the custom valuations. 4. Exchange rate. Custom does not use the black market exchange rate. They use the official exchange rate approved by customs, which is updated regularly. A higher exchange rate means higher duty. 5. HS code. This is one of the biggest factors. Every product has an HS code, harmonized system code. Each HS code carries a different duty rate. For example, shoes may attract one rate, electronics another, and machinery another. Using the wrong HS code can make you pay more or even lead to penalties. Always ensure the correct HS code is used. Now, let's talk about the CIF value. Before custom calculate duty, they first determine the CIF. CIF means cost of goods, insurance, and freight. The formula is CIF equals to cost plus insurance plus freight. This is the value custom uses as the starting point. Let's assume products cost $5,000, freight $800, insurance $200. CIF becomes $6,000 in total. Now suppose custom exchange rate is 1,700 naira per dollar. Then $6,000 multiplied by 1,700 naira, which is 10.2 million. This becomes the custom value. Now assume the HS code attracts 20% import duty. Therefore, 20% of 10.2 million naira is equals to 2,040,000 naira. That will be the only import duty. Otherwise, surface duty. Other charges. Import duty is not the only payment. Depending on the product, you may also pay VAT, levy, ETLS, levy, when applied, CISS, surcharge, excise for certain goods. This explains why the final clearance cost is often much higher than the duty rate. Now, some people would want to ask, why two importers pay different duty? This confuses many beginners. Imagine two people importing laptops. Importer A pays 3 million duty, while importer B pays 5 million duty. The possible reason includes different purchase price, different freight cost, different exchange rate, different HS code, and additional levies. Now, let's look at the common mistake that increases custom duty, which importers should avoid. 1. Under declaring your goods. 2. Using the wrong HS code. 3. Wrong invoice value. 4. Missing shipping document. 5. Using fake invoices. 6. Incorrect product descriptions. And this can result in higher duty, delays, cargo seizures, penalties, and extra examination. Now, many importers usually ask, can you reduce custom duty legally? Yes, you can reduce unnecessary costs by declaring the correct value, using the correct HS code, preparing complete documentation, working with an experienced clearing agent, and avoiding false declaration. Remember, trying to cheat custom can end up costing far more than doing things correctly. Finally, now you know how custom duty is calculated. Always remember this simple formula. CIF equals to cost plus insurance plus freight. Then custom applies duty rate, VAT, applicable levies, and other statutory charges. Understanding these processes helps you estimate your landing cost before importing. If you found this video helpful, please like this video, leave your question in the comments, and do not forget to subscribe to Import Business Nigeria. Also, share this video with anyone planning to import goods into Nigeria. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.